Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Yau a cikin wannan tutorial ɗin insha Allah za mu ci gaba daga inda muka tsaya, inda insha Allah yau za mu shiga muyi bayani akan CSS3. To cascading style sheet 3 is the latest and current standard of CSS. Shi wannan CSS3 ɗin bayan an yi normal CSS, sannan aka zo aka yi CSS2, sannan kuma aka zo aka yi CSS3, which is the current and the latest version na yanzu da ake yi shine CSS3. While kun ga like HTML before akwai HTML3, 4, which the current version now is HTML5. So it's like that. All the programming languages, time by time, they are usually used to update it, to introduce new features. So like that, Shima CSS, the current version of the CSS is CSS3. Kuma an yi introducing din shi ne saboda ya extending din CSS2, kuma ya introducing din new features. So like these are the new features, his CSS3 colors, selectors, as we have discussed before them already. Akwai style attributes, then so box model, surrounded corner, ga dai sunan flexible boxes, multiple column layout in user interface. So za mu ga wanda za mu yi wasu ma mun riga da mun yi su, amma dai za mu ɗan ƙara taɓa wasu kuma kamar irin su rounded corner mun riga da mun yi shi, amma dai za mu ɗan ƙara taɓa wasu daga cikinsu. So yanzu za mu je ga kamar shi rounded corner ɗin, which is just I have a simple div. Just let me leave it like this. Let me come and style it like this. Then let me give it a width of 200 pixels and a height of 200 pixels like this. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, nothing comes. Let me give it background color. Let me set it to blue. Let's see. This is a normal div. We have a container, so I want to specify just a rounded corner like this. So just I'm going to use this property with its value, which is border radius like this, and give it, if I say like 5 pixels, so I give all the four side the 5 pixels like this, cool, as you can see. So if I want, like I can give only two, I can use shorthand. Shorthand is as I said before, clockwise. So I can say top left hand side, or I can use, see there is something, I can say top left hand side in a like pixel, then top right hand side in a like 7 pixel, then bottom left hand side in a like 2 pixel, and the bottom left hand side in a 7 pixel like this. So you see this, the two shapes here is, let me give it 17 and see something amazing like this. As you can see, so I use, kun ga ya dan bani kamar wani shape din frame haka. So gashi nan wuraren, and you can specify its size ma by the name, like here border bottom like this, cool, radius, and give it, let's see, let me say 20 pixel like this. Okay, border bottom. Okay, let me see border bottom. Okay guys, like border bottom right radius like this one. If I say it like this, so now as you can see, border bottom right like this, cool. So you can specify all the four side by their name. That is border radius in short. Then the next thing we are going to say is there is one border we call elliptical corner. This elliptical corner, when I said border radius like this, I'm going to use division sign, like I said, 30 pixel divided by 60%, like this. So this is elliptical radius, as you can see, like this. Go. So that is it. Then the next thing we are going to see in this tutorial is CSS color, CSS3 color. As we have taught already since HTML, we say we have three types of ways to insert color. We have color name, hexadecimal, and the RGBA, which is red, green, blue, alpha. So now we are going to see we have another two values that we can put color with it. Then the first one is this one. The first one is this one, RGBA. Then the second one is HSL. Then the next one is HSLA. So we are going to see them one by one. RGBA already you are familiar with it, which is stand for red, green, blue, alpha. Like if I come here, blue, as I said, the value, I can say RGBA like this, open bracket, and I said let's say 2255 comma 0 comma 2. This is the alpha, like 2.4, like this. So we see the color code using RGB. Then the using this HSL. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. To give it that value using this HSL is like that. I'm going to write HSL like this. Down. Okay. HSL, comma, and then this is 0, 100. But let's say percent. This is then the saturation is specified using percent. Then the lightness too is specified using percent, because it is the amount, the lightness. Then let me say like 20%. You see, this is using HSL, hue, saturation, and lightness. If I want to increase the lightness, I can come here like this and say like 50%. Now we see the lightness now increase. Then that is like saturation and hue. I know that most of you don't know what hue and saturation is, but because I don't want to make the tutorial too long, I will not stay here explaining what hue and saturation stand for. It means you can go and search hue, normal hue, HUE, and saturation, and see. If you are familiar with editing pictures, now I know that you know it. Then the next one is HSL, which stands for hue, saturation, lightness, alpha. Then that A is the additional alpha. As I can say that I have that one HSL, I am going to just add A like this, which stands for alpha, and here I'm going to specify the alpha value, like I can say 0.2 here. You see now it has changed to this color. Okay? So you can go and search more and see the colors, which one will be suitable for your work, and all these things. With the search you can do anything you didn't expect.